Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a gardening website using Shopify. First, be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. First, we're going to go over here to our product section and we're going to click on add product. Here we're going to start filling all these blank spaces with our product's information. For example, I'm going to start with my seeding service, and we are going to copy our title, and here on generate text we're going to paste it, click on generate, and Shopify is going to create a description using its built-in AI. Here we can either choose to generate again or keep the description. For example, here if since I put only seeding, the description is a bit off, so I'm just going to put seeding service. I'm going to click on generate again, and here as you can see I have a better description for my product. I'm going to click on keep, and here for media we're going to click on upload new, and we're going to choose an image for our product. As you can see below our image, we're going to have a category section, and usually Shopify is going to choose a category for us, and it's almost always going to be correct. But if we want, we can click over here and change it to whichever one we would like. On the right, we're going to have a product type, vendor, collections, and tags section. For collections, make sure you add your product to your home page, and for tags, we can put, for example, gardening, or whichever tag we would like. For the pricing, let's say that I'm going to charge around 20,000 pesos for my service, and the cost per item is going to be around 10,000 pesos. This is going to give us a 10,000 pesos profit at a 50% margin of profit. For inventory, we're just not going to uncheck it because since it's a service, we're not going to keep track of it. And here we can also assign weight to our product in case we're going to do any kind of shipping. So once we are done customizing it, we are going to click on save, and we would have our first product uploaded. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on add product again, and I'm going to keep uploading all of the products of my online store. So I'll be back with you guys once I'm done. As you can see guys, here I have finished uploading all of the products that I want in my store. So next we are going to head over here to our online store, and we're going to start to customize it. First, we're going to be able to change its theme. If we go down, you can see that Shopify is going to provide us with a lot of different free themes. And if we want to see more of them, we can go over here to the Shopify theme store, and we're going to be able to see a lot more themes. Some of these may better suit our website, but for me, I'm just going to stick with the default one for now. So back over here, we're going to click over here on customize, and we're going to start to customize our online store. So if we click on one of these sections, you can see that it's going to be outlined by a blue line, and here on the top left the name of the section is going to be displayed. On our right, we're going to have all the different options to customize our sections. For example, this is our image banner, and we're going to click here on select to select an image to be our banner. So once it's done uploading, we're going to click over here on done, and the image of our banner is going to change. Next, we're going to click on our heading so we can change the text over here. For example, I'm going to put welcome to my gardening website. Now let's say that we want to add a new section to our website. What we're going to do is we're going to click on over here on template, add section, and a lot of different options are going to appear. We're going to have a featured collection, featured product, collection list, etc, etc. For me, I'm just going to add a featured product, and as you can see, a new section is going to appear right at the bottom, and if we click on it, we can go over here on the top right to select, and we're going to select a product to be displayed. For example, I'm going to choose my trimming service. Now let's say that we want to change this section a bit. For example, we are going to change its color scheme, and we're going to put a nice dark tone over it. Now let's say that we have added a new section by mistake, for example a featured collection, and we want to delete it. First we're going to make sure that we have the section we want to delete selected, and over here on the bottom right we're going to click on remove section, and the section is going to be removed. Another things that we can do is if we go over here to our footer, we can add a section over here. We can either add an email sign up or a custom liquid. And the same goes for our header. If we go over here, we can add a custom liquid or an announcement bar for our header. Another very important thing about our header is going to be that right over here, our store's name is going to be displayed. So in order to change it, what we're going to do is we're going to save our changes. We're going to exit, and here on the home page of Shopify, we're going to click on name store again, and here we're going to change our store's name. For example, I'm just going to put gardening. I'm going to save. And in order to make sure that everything is correct, we're going to go back to online store, but now we are going to click on the three dots and we're going to click on preview. This is going to redirect us to our website, and as you can see on our header right over here, the name is going to be changed. We can scroll down to make sure that everything else is set up just the way we want, and once we are done, we are going to go back over here in order to go to the analytics and marketing section. Now this is going to be a really important section for us, guys, because we're going to be able to see our total sales, our sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value, and many different things such as which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, among many other things and statistics which are going to be really helpful for us in order to maintain, customize and manage our website and our business all from the same place. Lastly, I wanted to show you the discount section here. If we click on add discount, I'm going to choose an amount of products. We're going to be able to customize our own discounts for our online store. For example, here we're going to be able to choose the code for our discount. Let's say that we want to put gardening 101, or if we just click over here, Shopify is going to provide us with a random code for us. Here we can choose which kind of discount it's going to be, either a fixed amount or a percentage amount. I'm going to choose a percentage, let's say 10% discount. And below it, we can choose which collections our discount is going to apply to. For example, we're going to click on Browse, and we're going to choose our homepage collection so that all of the products on our homepage are going to be applicable for our discount. If we keep going down, you can see that we have further options to customize our discount, such as if we need any minimum purchase requirements, the customer eligibility, the maximum amount of uses it has, the combinations, and here at the very end, if we click on set end date, we're going to be able to select an expiration date for our discount. For example, I'm going to choose the 28th, and once we are ready, we're going to click on save discount. As you can see here, we would have our first discount ready to either post on social media, maybe give to a friend, or just use however we would like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify, and also that $1 for 1 month one-time deal. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.